I'm going to have a go at test flying the hummingbird. Wish me luck. Here we go. There she is. Okay, that one goes on that. Test. Elevator. Ladder. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, that was close. Right, rudder turn. Now, in these ailerons, the rudder's not that effective. Well, there she is, guys. Let's try a right hand turn. I think I need more elevator throw, which I can do because I'm pulling in full up a little bit on the turns. It's being pushed around by the wind a little bit. There's a little bit of wind. I might have too much nose weight actually because I'm holding in a bit of up. Okay, let's bring her in. I have to bring her in from the left. The wind's coming from my right. Okay. There's your Tony Ray hummingbird. And she's a nice little flyer. I might take out a little bit of nose weight, as I say, I think she's nose heavy. But otherwise, and I'm going to increase the elevator throw, put it on the inner hole, and whether I can sort out the ailerons, I'm not sure, but for the minute I can reduce a little bit of that nose weight, which is good. But for now, I think that's quite successful. You can get your kit from Model Shop Leeds. I'll link to it in the description. I'll also link to the build series for this model, and you can see exactly how to put it together. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, and give the video a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, and if you want to subscribe if you're not, that would be cool too. Cheers guys.